To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. The different types of sentence structures are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. Compound sentence. A compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses joined by a conjunction. Remember, a conjunction joins words or part of a sentence together. Examples of conjunctions are and, but, or, for, nor, yet, like, so, etc. For example, Tom likes tea and Lucy likes coffee. Tom likes tea is an independent clause. It's a complete idea and it makes sense on its own. Lucy likes coffee is also an independent clause. It's a complete idea and it makes sense on its own. We can write the two independent clauses as two simple sentences, like this: Tom likes tea, Lucy likes coffee. But to form a compound sentence, we join the two independent clauses using a conjunction. In this example, the conjunction is and. Tom likes tea and Lucy likes coffee. Remember that the comma is placed before the conjunction.